Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo. Let's do some more Leetcode problems today. So today's problem is called remove k digits. We were given a string num representing a non-negative integer num and an integer k. Return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. So intuitively, the number with a higher rank, which means it represents more power in the number, will be removed first in order to make it the smallest possible integer after removing k digits. Okay, so one corner case I can think of is if we were going to remove k digits that's longer than the num. So in that case, or maybe equal to the num, in that case we should leave a 0. Okay, as we can see here, if k is equal to the number of the length of the number, we will output 0. So first, we should put it to our code. So if k is larger than or equal to num.length, we should return a new string, which is 0. Okay, so let's think about it later. Okay, so here we have 1432219 and k is equal to 3 and the output is 1219. So it simply deletes this part. Okay. Then how do we do this? We can think of something that, like, we can store all the digits, individual digits, in something, and when we compare the existing one with the new one, if the new one is less than the previous one, for example here, we know immediately that we should remove the previous digit. And here, when 3 comes into our container and 2 comes in here, we know that we should pop 3 out. And then we got 2 in here, 2 in here, it's fine, and 1 in here. 1 is less than 2, so we should pop 2 out, given that we still have 1 k left. After that, we don't have any k left because k will be equal to 0, and we will be left with 1219. Okay? And in example 2, there's another problem here. So if we still use that method, we can put 1 in the container and 0 comes in, and we know that the current digit is less than the previous one. So given k equals to 1, we should pop 1 out. And after that, we push 0 in, 2 in, 0, 0 in, okay? And we have to delete the preceding zeros. So the answer would be 200. Okay, so with that said, I think a stack would be a perfect data structure for this problem, and we're going to build a monotonic stack. Okay, so let's try to do this. Okay, so first, in order to get access to every digit in this string, we need to convert it to a character array. So num.toCharacterArray, and we're going to initialize the stack character, and it's going to be called stack. Now we can iterate through the character array. Okay, so for every character here, we can put it into the stack. But when we still have k, which is larger than 0, and the stack is not empty, and most importantly, to make it a monotonic stack, the element in the stack is larger than the c. Okay, in this case, we're going to pop from the stack. and decrement the k. Okay, I think that should give us the right answer. But there will be another problem. What if k is still larger than 0? And that means we still have something to be deleted from the stack, right? So in this case, I think it's proper for us to keep popping from the stack until k it reaches 0. Okay, and now we can construct our answer. I will use a string builder, and for everything in the stack, the string builder will append stack.pop, append all the characters in the stack. And in order to get the last result, we have to reverse this string builder. After that, we need to delete the preceding zeros. Okay, so while there are something in the string builder, and the string builder's character at 0 is 0. If this is the case, we'll keep deleting the zeros. So delete character at 0. Okay, and we can return the string builder as a string, as instructed by the prompt. All right, I think it passed all the test results. So let's take a look at the complexities. So type complexity wise, it should be n, and space complexity wise, it should also be n, because in the worst case we can put everything in the stack or in the string builder if k is equal to 0. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, I think it passed all the test cases. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next video.